Hello everybody, my name is Austin, and today I'm going to be working a simple example of finding the phase and the magnitude response of a system. We're given our system right here. If we're given an input of x sub n, we're going to get out y sub n, and that's what our system's going to be. Now to start solving for the phase and magnitude response, we want to take the Fourier transform of this function. So what that's going to be is we're going to have y sub w equals 1/3 x sub w times e to the jw plus 1/3 x sub w plus 1/3 x sub w e to the minus jw. Now those transforms you can all find from just a basic Laplace transform table. Now this we can simplify. We can pull out 1/3 from all of that. We can also pull out x sub w from all of that. So we'll get y sub w equals 1/3 x sub w times e to the jw plus 1 plus e to the minus jw. Now if you look at a table of just some basic Fourier transform stuff, this can actually be transformed into something else. There's a property that we can change that into 1 plus 2 cosine w. Okay. Now, what we can do is we can actually divide both these sides by x sub w. We can get our transfer function h sub w, which is going to be equal to 1/3 x sub w. Actually, nope, the x sub w is not going to be there. That's my bad. Let's erase that. Now instead we'll just have 1/3 times 1 plus 2 cosine w. Okay. So from here we can definitely find our magnitude response from this. Our magnitude response from this is just going to be the absolute value of this function. So basically 1/3 times the absolute value of 1 plus 2 cosine w. And this has some parameters to it. We're assuming that w is between negative pi and pi. That's not a w, that's a 3. Let's get rid of that 3. Put a w there. There we go. Okay. So that is our magnitude response. The phase response is a little bit different. Our phase response is actually the argument of h of w. So what this means is we're going to do arg of 1/3 times 1 plus 2 cosine w essentially what this is going to come out to is our phase response. It's going to be 0 or it's going to be pi. It's going to be 0 when our w is between negative 2 pi over 3 and regular 2 pi over 3. That's going to be pi whenever the absolute value of w is greater than 2 pi over 3, but less than pi. And there we go. So we've got our magnitude response and our phase response of the system. Thank you guys for watching.